What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be unboxing Redmi Note 10 Pro. This is not the 10, not the Max, it's like just in the middle, and the box is heavier for some reason, maybe the charger. And you can see the specs. I won't be going in detail, I'm already late. Most of you guys know about the specs. Snapdragon 732, and the main camera is 64 megapixel. You can see the box is kind of dirty, don't know why, but anyways guys, let's quickly get back to the unboxing. Let's cut open the seal. One. And if you like this video guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you can see some description over here as well. Let's quickly get inside the box. Here we go. 3 2 1, and straight up you can see designed by Redmi. This surely should have the case and maybe the SIM ejector thing. Yes, you can see the SIM ejector and paper and silicone case as well. Just normal, I mean nothing really fancy going on. Then we got the phone itself, looks really cool. I'll come back to it later, and let's see what else we get. You can see that feels pretty good in hand. Yes, USB type C, quick confirmation. Then you get the 33-watt fast charger. Now this is really an upgrade over Redmi Note 9. Let's quickly keep this to the side, and finally let's take this phone out. Here we go. And I'll be doing videos with this phone, comparing it to Redmi Note 9 and also to the Redmi Note 8 Pro, 9 Pro and 10 Pro. You can see this glass. Let's quickly take out the sticker. Now I've gone with the 6 plus 128 gigs of storage, and when you touch this phone it feels like it has some kind of cases. It has that kind of a texture on the back, but yeah, feels pretty good in hand. And also this one has the power key and the fingerprint. Let's quickly power this on, and you can even use this case if you want your phone to be a little bit thicker and bulkier. Just kidding. To protect your phone you can use this case, but I'm gonna be taking it out for this video. And you can see the main camera is 64 megapixel. We'll be doing a camera comparison test with the Redmi Note 9 Pro, the rear camera comparison video. So if you want to watch that video out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I really like this color. If you are planning to buy the Redmi Note 10 Pro, I would definitely suggest you to buy this color. This one definitely has the camera bump. Not sure if you can get away with this by using a back case. And then you can see the USB type C speaker and mic as well, power key on the right, and then finally SIM tray on the left side. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for the physical overview, and all looks pretty good. First thing that you will notice straight away if you are upgrading from the Redmi Note 9 to Redmi Note 10 Pro is this camera hole. It is definitely smaller than the Redmi Note 9 Pro. I'm personally using Redmi Note 9 Pro and upgrading to Redmi Note 10 Pro. I can feel that, and you can see the back, as I said, has the texture kind of feeling. The camera's comparison video will be also coming pretty soon to the channel. Settings, and you can see that it's running Android 11 out of the box. My variant is 6 plus 128 gigs of storage. So yeah guys, that is pretty much a wrap. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not. A lot more videos coming from this phone. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace out.